thought process has gone into it, and they made it happen. Fantastic.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट और इंटरसेप्ट कर लिया। सुनील, एक कप्तान की अब नीति क्या रहेगी कि जिस तरीके से उन्होंने अभी ये मोमेंटम हासिल किया है और जो मुश्किल से हासिल किया है उसको अब मेंटेन कैसे करके रखेंगे? वो क्या चल रहा होगा उनके जहन में इस वक्त?
I think at this stage, the Rhinos captain just want to make sure that he has more number of dot balls and couple of singles. Nothing more than that from his bowlers.
और ये वाइट का इशारा दिख गया और ये अच्छी खबर है बंगाल के लिए, क्योंकि रन बल्ले से तो आ ही नहीं रहे हैं, बॉलर से तो आए।
I thought he was not going to give wide, but he gave.
जी, और गंभीरता, और ये कोशिश करी उठाने की बल्ले को, पर जैसा कि मैंने कहा गंभीरता, परिपक्वता, ये सब ऐसी चीजें हैं जो अभी इनकी बल्लेबाजी में नजर आनी चाहिए। पर अभी भी मुझे थोड़े सहमे लग रहे हैं बंगाल टाइगर्स। जाहिर सी बात है सुनील, अपने कप्तान को गवा दिया है और पहला ही मुकाबला है, तो ये भी कह सकते हैं कि एक एलिमेंट ऑफ रस्टीनेस has dawned upon them.
Absolutely. Can he give this wide? No. I thought he was going to give this wide. He didn't. But विनीत, मेरे को लगता है आप काफी दिनों से, सालों से आपसे मिल रहा हूं मैं, मेरे को लगता है आप हाल ही में आप सिद्धू जी से कब मिले थे?
जी, जब मैं खाली होता हूं तो मैं अपने फोन पर ही आजकल सिद्धू जी के वीडियोस देखता हूं, और आप उनकी तरह खेलते हैं।
At this stage, I think Rhinos, they are bowling more dot balls. Vineet, I think Tigers need to get onto the Rhinos and run.
Well, in a fight between Rhinos and Tigers, well, that's a wide, and that's good. Runs coming off again through the medium of bowlers. पर जैसा मैं कह रहा था कि जब इन दो दिग्गज जंगल के प्राणियों के बीच में लड़ाई होती है, राइनोसरस और टाइगर के बीच में, तो एक उत्साहित मनोरंजन का जो जलवा होता है,
होना चाहिए,
वो कब देखने को मिलेगा?
That's a good one. A Tiger has finally cracked it. Vineet, I think he has listened to you, Vineet. That's a good one. Good shot on pull to finish the over. 29 for 2 after 5 overs. Bengal Tigers.
$29 for 2. Bengal Tigers, not a great start for them. 5 overs gone. Stayed on 1. Yusuf is going to play a major role here. Seen him earlier as well. Yusuf is aggressive. Going to be a change in bowling now. And not the start that Bengal Tigers wanted early on. Chennai Rhinos, they have done well in the CCL. The league that started way back in 2011. They have won 2 titles so far. Chennai Rhinos, Saran Kumar is going to be a spinner now in operation. Bengal Tigers, the only thing that worries me, Raman, is that the batting hasn't really fired in the last 3 or 4 seasons, what I've seen of them. So this is going to be a test for them here. Although the conditions are pretty good. It's a quick outfield as well at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. But really, somebody has to anchor one end up. It's T10, we all know that. But still, somebody has to just stay at the crease, occupy the crease as well. Oh, good delivery, good line as well from Saran. The ball just straightening with the arm.
Absolutely right, Ajay.
You got him, almost, you got him.
But now that you've already seen 5 overs go by, this should be taken, but it isn't. Single there. Takes Sid to the non-strikers end. Should have been taken this catch at long on.
Yeah, went straight up to him there. Went straight to him, just messing that one up. Oh dear, oh dear. That's once again played in the air. This time falling in no man's land. And that's going to be a 4 as well. One bounce over the ropes. Good strike there. Exactly what Yusuf can do so well.
But he's living up to his name, isn't he? Yusuf. He's reached 20 with that boundary. Just sliced it over that extra cover region. Got it over the infield. One bounce and over. That's handy batting. That's what's required. That's the need of the hour now. 20 of just 12 deliveries. A strike rate of 166.7. Change in the field though, and it's on the onside.
It's a wicket for you, Sharan.
The boundary creamed through extra cover. 3 boundary riders there in the deep. It's going to be the man at deep mid-wicket who's going to come in. And the fumble will allow for 2. But there should have just been a single. You wanted the outfielder to attack the ball. He was really pinned at the boundary rope. That's the bench for the Bengal Tigers for you. Lost a couple of wickets, but still looking very exuberant.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the next few batsmen padded up. Once again, going for the big one. Getting probably a bit of bat there as well. End of the 6th over, 36 for 2. Match number 1 of the CCL T10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement. Chennai Rhinos utilizing 4 bowlers so far, 2 wickets for Ashok. The only successful bowler. Shandu bowling 1 over, conceding 8 runs. Saran bowling 1 over, conceding 7 runs. The dot balls are important here. How many dot balls you have? Ashok bowling 7 dot balls so far.
In all, 6 overs and you had 20 dot balls. So matlab, almost 3.5 overs have been dot deliveries that have been bowled out of 6. और इसी वजह से अजय, the score is reading 36 for 2.
जी हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से उभरना होगा. और अगर ये जो सतह है जो हम देख रहे थे, मैं और सुनील जोशी नीचे गए थे, रमनरा बहुत बढ़िया विकेट नजर आ रही है. ठोस विकेट है, हार्ड है ये विकेट. थोड़ी एक सतह पे घास भी है, तो बाइंडिंग काफी बढ़िया है. और आज ये नहीं भूलना होगा, 4 मुकाबले होने हैं, एक के बाद एक.
But there are these cracks there, the grass binding the wicket, binding the surface, holding the surface together. But as